super excited to announce that I'm finally launching the Yacht Chef Media. What is the Yacht Chef Media? Well, it's a combination of showing behind the scenes and cinematic shots of individual yachts, more specifically charter yachts. Naturally, I've been doing this for about 14 years as I've been working as a yacht chef, showing the personalities, the toys, the experience on board, and what it's like to charter the boat. You're spending a lot of money on these yachts to come for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I think you deserve to know what it's actually like on board, what the food is like, and what the day-to-day life is like, and what's expected on board when you charter these yachts. So I'm going to combine the two passions that I love, which is creating content and being a yacht chef. So I'm going to come on board your charter yacht and document what it's like, talk to some of the crew, and get a bit of an insight of what makes your charter yacht special and different to other yachts. So if that's something that you're interested in, visit theyachtchefmedia.com and get in contact today, and I hope to see you on board soon.